It's a new 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: continuously variable automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, steering assist cruise control, front heated bucket seats, inductive device charging, streaming audio, active grille shutters, smart device remote engine start, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.